Have you ever wondered why we all look different? It's a question that has puzzled humans for centuries. The answer lies in the concept of diversity, a phenomenon that isn't limited to just us humans, but extends to all life forms. This diversity is a testament to the incredible variety of life, from the vibrant colors of a butterfly to the unique facial features of your best friend. It's what makes us, and every organism on this planet, distinct and unique. But what's the key to this vast diversity? The answer is in our genes. Our genes, tiny segments of DNA, hold the blueprint for everything about us, from our height to our hair color. They are like an artist's palette. Mixing and matching different genes creates a wide array of traits. So, the reason behind the diversity we observe in nature, including us humans, is due to variations in genetics. This is the fascinating world of genetic variation, and we're just getting started. But what are these genes and where can we find them? Now let's delve into the heart of our cells to find the answer. Picture a tightly wound spool of thread. This is what we call DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. It's an intricate double helical structure that carries the blueprint of life. Now, imagine breaking down this spool into smaller sections. These sections are what we refer to as genes. Each gene is a unique segment of the DNA, and it is these genes that carry the information for all our traits. From the color of our eyes to the shape of our nose, and even our susceptibility to certain diseases. And where can we find them? These genes, these tiny segments of our DNA, are present in every cell of our body. They are the essence of who we are, dictating our uniqueness and individuality. Thus, it's these genes, tiny segments of our DNA, that hold the code to our individual traits. So how do these genes cause variations in genetics? Well, let's delve into the game of genetics. It's all about inheritance, the passing of genes from parents to their offspring. Imagine parents as two decks of cards, each card representing a gene. During reproduction, they shuffle their decks and deal out a unique hand to their offspring. This mix and match of genes leads to variations, making each offspring unique. But there's another player in this game: mutations. Picture a card magically changing its suit or value. That's what a mutation is. It's a change in the DNA sequence, leading to different traits. Some mutations might give you a winning hand, like resistance to a disease. Others might not be so helpful. Now, don't get too worried about this game of chance. Remember, it's this very process that's led to the splendid diversity of life on our planet. Therefore, the combination of genes from our parents and mutations are the main sources of variations in genetics. But why is this variation important, you may ask? Well, let's dive right into it. Genetic variation is the engine that powers evolution. It's as if nature is an artist, using the palette of genetic variation to paint the rich tapestry of life on Earth. These variations, or differences in our DNA, can lead to unique traits. These traits can sometimes give an organism an advantage in its environment. For instance, a bird with a slightly longer beak might be able to reach food, others cannot, leading to better survival and more offspring. Over time, these beneficial traits become more common in a population, a process we call natural selection. So, you see, genetic variations are not just about making us all unique and interesting, they are about survival. They allow species to adapt to changes in their environment, ensuring the continued existence of life in all its diverse forms. In essence, variations in genetics drive the diversity we see in life and play a crucial role in the survival and evolution of species. So, what have we learned today? We've explored how genetic variation accounts for our unique appearances, how genes are the blueprint for our traits, and why these gene variations are vital for survival and evolution. So the next time you wonder why we all look different, remember, it's all in the genes.